(2D) animation software are tools that helps people create animations in 2 dimensions, like a drawing on paper. These tools let you bring your ideas to life in a fun, flat, picture book style, giving you the flexibility to sketch your own character, design vibrant backgrounds, and even craft eye-catching movements. Perfect for creating cartoons, explainer videos, game assets, or even brand commercials. 2D animation gives you the power to tell engaging stories through motion and sound with no advanced skills required. From drawing and coloring to timeline layers, keyframing, and pre-made templates, the right 2D animation software adapts to your creativity and skill level. And if you're into marketing or content creation, these tools can instantly make your tutorials or brand messages more fun, visual, and memorable. Some tools focus on simplicity to help you get started fast, while others offer advanced control for those aiming to master the full animation pipeline. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the top 5 free 2D animation software, exploring what they are and how we rate them based on their unique features and real-life customer feedback. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform, where you can get the best 2D animation experts who will help you bring your storytelling ideas to life through animations if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So, stick around to find the perfect animation software that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these software for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 best 2D animation software currently available on the market right now. Number 5. DoodleMaker. Best 2D animation software for AI-generated doodle explainer videos. If you're looking for a fast, AI-powered solution to create engaging business presentations, e-learning videos, or persuasive sales pitches, DoodleMaker is your best bet. Unlike traditional animation software that demands hours of editing and manual customization, DoodleMaker's AI-driven doodle animation technology allows you to generate professional quality explainer videos in minutes, with the ability to choose from multiple board styles, including whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard. DoodleMaker offers you the flexibility to make different business and educational content the exact way you want. Imagine presenting a sales pitch where an AI-generated hand sketches compelling visuals that instantly capture your audience's attention, or creating an interactive training module with a blackboard animation that mimics a real classroom setting. This kind of video will not only simplify complex topics, but also enhance viewers' engagement. For a business coach conducting an online seminar, DoodleMaker transforms your bullet points into an engaging whiteboard explainer video that keeps your audience hooked. Its ability to switch between board styles allows you to tailor your content for different learning environments, ensuring maximum retention for students. For pricing, DoodleMaker's Enterprise Plan gives you access to AI-powered video creation with dozens of templates, in addition to features like multilingual voiceovers, unlimited video rendering, and advanced customization tools, which is ideal for businesses producing content at scale. Whether you're creating a corporate training video, a product demo, or a digital marketing campaign, DoodleMaker ensures that your content is not just visually engaging, but also quick and effortless to produce. Number 4. Toonly. Best for creating marketing videos, sales presentations, and storytelling animations. For marketers and sales professionals looking for an easy-to-use yet powerful tool to create engaging marketing videos and sales presentations, Toonly's drag-and-drop interface makes it effortless to create professional explainer videos in minutes. With its massive built-in library of animated characters, props, and backgrounds, even if you have no prior animation and video editing experience, Toonly makes it easy for you to create high-converting sales videos where animated characters interact with your product. With Toonly, what you need is to drag and drop characters, objects, and text, then customize their movements and interactions. This makes it perfect for marketers, business owners, and content creators looking to produce professional quality animations without hiring an expensive video production team. Suppose you're a digital marketer promoting a new software. Toonly allows you to create animated explainer videos that simplify your product's features using fun, relatable characters. Even educators and YouTubers will benefit from Toonly's seamless animation tools, turning complex ideas into digestible, visually compelling stories. In addition to its free trial, Toonly's standard plan provides access to hundreds of characters, props, and scenes, and also provides you with 7 terabytes of cloud storage, while the enterprise plan unlocks premium animation and customization features, storage capacity, and commercial rights. Whether you're crafting brand awareness campaigns, tutorial videos, or compelling business pitches, Toonly ensures that your animations look professional, polished, and attention-grabbing, all without needing any animation expertise. Number 3. PixTeller. Best for social media content, animated posters, and short promotional videos. Unlike traditional animation software that can be overly complex, PixTeller's simplified frame-by-frame animation system allows you to create smooth, engaging, and eye-catching social media content, animated posters, and short promotional videos without the need for any advanced video editing skill. Its seamless integration of graphic design and animation means you can design stunning visuals and animate them effortlessly in one platform. Whether you're a social media marketer, content creator, or small business owner, PixTeller ensures that your animated content is visually compelling and incredibly easy to produce. Its drag-and-drop animation editor lets you manipulate objects frame by frame, adjust motion effects, and add transitions. Let's say you run a small online store. You can use PixTeller to create animated promotional graphics, showcasing new arrivals, special discounts, or seasonal offers that instantly grab attention on Facebook and Instagram. If you're a YouTuber or blogger, PixTeller helps you produce custom animated intro and outro sequences that elevate your brand identity. Even businesses hosting webinars or online events can benefit from PixTeller's animated posters and banners, ensuring their promotional materials stand out across social media and websites. PixTeller offers flexible pricing plans to suit different needs. The free plan provides access to basic design tools and templates. The Pro plan unlocks advanced graphic design, higher resolution exports, and premium design assets, which is perfect for businesses and content creators looking for a competitive edge. The Diamond plan is ideal for agencies and professionals, offering unlimited animation capabilities, extended storage, and commercial use licensing. Compared to other 2D animation software, PixTeller stands out for its balance between simplicity and creative control, allowing you to craft high-impact animated content without dealing with a steep learning curve. Number 2. Animatron. Best for motion graphics and character-based explainer videos. If you need a powerful, yet easy-to-use animation tool for creating professional business presentations, animated ads, and educational videos, Animatron is the perfect choice. This is because Animatron gives you full creative control with its advanced timeline-based animation system, allowing you to fine-tune every movement, transition, and effect. Whether you're a business professional, digital marketer, or an educator, Animatron equips you with everything you need to produce high-quality animated content that captivate and inform. With Animatron's intuitive timeline editor, you can easily control character movements, object animations, and scene transitions to match your vision. Suppose you're an entrepreneur launching a new product. You can use Animatron to build an animated explainer video that introduces and markets your products at the same. For marketers, Animatron allows you to customize animated ads with branding elements, ensuring your campaigns stand out across social media and paid advertising platforms. In terms of pricing, Animatron's free plan provides access to essential features, making it great for beginners experimenting with animation. The paid plans unlock high-resolution exports, more animation assets, unlimited projects, and advanced editing tools, making it ideal for businesses and marketers producing content regularly. Compared to other 2D animation software, Animatron's advanced timeline control and customizable character assets give you the ability to craft professional-grade animations with total creative freedom. Number 1. Doodly. Best for whiteboard animations with a hand-drawn effect. If what you want is to create engaging explainer videos, educational content, and high-impact marketing presentations, Doodly stands out for its realistic hand-drawn whiteboard animations, making your videos feel personal, professional, and visually captivating. Its custom draw paths allows you to create seamless, natural-looking hand sketch animations, making every scene appear as if it's being drawn in real time. Whether you're explaining a complex idea, pitching a product, or teaching a new concept, Doodly's smooth, lifelike drawing effects help boost audience retention and engagement. Imagine creating a whiteboard explainer video where every frame is hand-drawn to illustrate your story. This type of content has been proven to increase viewer understanding and recall, making it an excellent tool for business professionals, educators, and marketers. If you're in marketing or sales, you can use Doodly to craft attention-grabbing promotional videos that highlight your product's value in an engaging, non-intrusive way. Even businesses running internal training programs can use Doodly to simplify learning materials, making employee onboarding and instructional content more effective and engaging. In terms of pricing, Doodly's standard plan gives you access to hundreds of hand-drawn images and basic animation tools, making it ideal for individuals and small businesses. The enterprise plan unlocks thousands of additional characters, props, and premium assets, whether you're creating explainer videos, educational tutorials, or marketing presentations. Doodly ensures that your content is engaging, visually dynamic, and highly converting. In addition, if you're just starting out in the world of content creation but have zero technical knowledge about 2D animation software, or simply no time to learn how to use them, Fiverr Pro offers access to vetted, top-tier freelancers with proven records of delivering high-quality animation work. Whether you need to outsource tasks like character reading, motion graphics, explainer videos, storyboard creation, scene transitions, lip syncing, or background design, you can find dedicated professionals who specialize in these specific 2D animation functions. This not only saves you time, but ensures your project benefits from refined skills and creative insight without breaking the bank. In conclusion, choosing the best 2D animation software really comes down to what you need. Whether it's drag-and-drop simplicity, high-generated explainer videos, or detailed frame-by-frame control, each of the options we provided offer unique features tailored for marketers, educators, content creators, and business pros like you. And if you're short on time or not ready to dive into animation yourself, Fiverr Pro connects you with skilled animators who can bring your vision to life. So, take your pick, explore your options, and start creating animations that tell your stories in your own way. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these 2D animation software for free. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.